Hi everyone! So, as you all know, this is my very first YouTube video and I'm doing my unboxing video for the NYX Face Awards. By the way, my name's Brooke, for those of you who don't know me in real life. Otherwise on Instagram I'm known as JABBASMAKEUP, and this is very exciting. I'm so excited. So I've got this huge box, fucking massive box, which I'm going to open for you all today. And I'm really excited to see what's in here because I haven't looked at it all day. It's been driving me crazy and now I've finally got the opportunity to film. Let's get into it. I've got my trusty knife and let's do this because it's gonna be awesome. This is like honestly the most massive fucking box of makeup and I'm so ready for this. Oh my god. How am I even gonna do this? Oh, I just ripped it. Actually dangerous. Don't try this at home. Oh my god. Oh my god! This is so exciting. So I have, holy shit, this is actually so heavy. This is so heavy. I have this beautiful Face Awards box. Oh my fucking god. Okay, let me just put that down and get rid of that. Oh my god! So I've just got this little congratulations letter. I've gotten into the top 20! Holy shit! I can't even believe that I got in. Like, this is insanity. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so much products. But look at this. This is insane. Oh my god. So, sponges. Yes, sponges. Always need them. Oh my god, I got brushes. Oh my god, no way. This is so cool. Look at all of these brushes. Look at all of these eyelashes. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I just want to put them on my face right now. Oh my god. Okay, I've got makeup removal wipes. Thank god. I literally run out of these like insanely fast. Redken. Oh, it's like a blow dry lotion that is gonna make my hair so pretty because it is so not pretty at the moment. Ooh. Oh my god. These are the new powders, the new highlighting powders. Oh my god! What have we got? Okay. We have a crushed blue on the way to my house, but it's still beautiful. We've got Snow Rose, which I think is going to be like the perfect shade for me because I'm so pale. Come on, camera. There you go, Snow Rose, which is going to be so cool. We have Twilight Tint, which is like white as all hell, which I love. I need this. It's gonna be so good. I just have to rearrange. Sorry, guys. We have Lavender Steel, which is beautiful. It's like this nice, oh my god, it's like this light purple. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And we've got Synthetica, which is orange. And it's amazing. Get over it. Oh my god, there are more brushes. I'm not even joking. There are more brushes. Oh, there are so many more brushes. I'm actually like in shock. Like, makeup brushes are something that I just never think to buy, and I should. But they're just like something that I need that I never buy. And I'm like, oh, so excited. Look at them all. Look at them all together. Like, I still have them here. Wait, I just dropped one. Look at all of these brushes. Oh my god. I'm actually dying. Like, this is insane. I have literally like so many of these little eyeshadows. Oh, just want to like put them all over my face. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see like all of these. I can't even hold them up. There's like literally so many more. Look at all of them. There's so many. Pro foundation mixer. Customized tint. Ooh. There's a few different colors. They are white, blank, opalescent, and luminous. Sweet Cheeks blush palette. This is beautiful. I can't wait to get some use out of this. Oh my god. This is actually so beautiful. These colors, I just want to put them on my eyes, not even my cheeks. Oh my god, I got the Strobe of Genius palette. I was nearly gonna buy this the other day because I wanted to spend my money. But oh my god, look at how beautiful this is. I'm actually dead. I can't wait to put this and these new duochromatic highlighters all over my face and make that shit glow. What's this? The gel liner? Mousse liner. I got Epic Black mousse liner, which looks like a goodie. Hello, yellow. Why am I like this? I'm sorry. This is like, look at this pink. Oh my god. Look at this. This is, ooh. Excuse me, plastic. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I'm actually like dying. I'm dying. Oh, I got some more. What was this called? Hang on, sorry. It's called Brights. Oh, Ultimate Brights. Oh yes, Ultimate Brights. And this one is Ultimate Smoky and Highlight. Yes, Ultimate Smoky and Highlight. Come through. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, and what's this one? Ultimate Cool Neutrals Palette. Oh my god, this all literally just needs to get on my face, like, right now. Like, right now. Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. Okay, guys. Oh my god. This is amazing. These look like such good shades. Oh my god, there's another cheeky brush. Cheeky brush. And it's beautiful. And I'm sorry that I missed it. Sorry. Guys, they sent me a whole bunch of pigments. Oh my god. So many goodies. I can't even like hold them up. Oh my god, these are so fucking pretty. These are so beautiful. Oh my god. Look how many more there is. These are more. This is insanity. NYX. Y'all are crazy. Oh, I got another foundation mixer. Sorry, this box is all over the shop and I apologize. This is the shade Deep. We've got NYX Vivid Brights Liners. I absolutely love these eyeliners and like, to be honest, I own most of them already and I'm so excited that I now have what looks like every single color. Oh my god, there's another, oh my god, there's a glitter. Oh my god, they sent me glitters. Oh my god, no. Oh no, I'm like such a glitter whore. Excuse me, bra strap. Don't interrupt my video. Glitter. Okay guys, throwing it everywhere. Look at all of these glitters. These NYX glitters, honestly, I live for. I only have one, and it's the silver one, 06, and I love that glitter. NYX Cosmetics, thank you. You've made me one happy, glittery little human. Color correcting concealer palette. Yum, this looks amazing. I absolutely love products like this. They sent me like a bunch of the HD Studio photogenic foundation. Holy shit, I literally got like a bunch. Like, oh, like a bunch of foundations. Oh my god. NYX, thank you. Oh, I just realized that knife is still there. I'm gonna move that away. Okay. What is this is? Oh, a primer. Again, I am an absolute primer whore. I love primers. And I'm so excited to try this. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Don't even have to look at it because this product is incredible. Look at all of this. Lip liners! Ugh, make my lips so pretty. There's so many beautiful colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Everyone loves these lip liners. HD Studio Finishing Powder. It's like a loose translucent powder by the looks of it. And I am so excited to put this on my face. I love translucent powders. They're really good for covering your brows and stuff as well, which is mainly what I use them for. So I'm so ready for this. Oh my god. Epic Ink Liner in black or noir, however you say it, because I'm useless. White liquid liner. That's what it says. White liquid liner. Yes. This looks amazing. And I'm so excited. Oh my god. What else have we got? Oh, a mixing medium. Oh, yes girl. Can mix them with my pigments and make them eyeliners. Show it. Oh my god. There we go. So many goodies. Oh my god. Dull Eye Mascara Volume. Different brow pencils. Oh my god, a bunch. Like a whole bunch. Oh! I'm so excited to give this a go. This looks amazing. I'm literally like, I don't even know what I put on this stuff. Oh, a cheeky eyeshadow. Cheeky. What else is in here? Oh my god, we've got all these like macaron lippies. And a wicked lippy. Oh. I think these are all, no, I don't know. Some of these are macarons, some of these are wicked. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my god. That's it, guys. My beautiful NYX box is empty. We did it. We went through it all. Oh my god, there is just an unfathomable amount of products next to me. And it's absolutely insane. And I'm so excited to get into all of these and to try everything out and to create an awesome look. As you guys know, the next theme is Disco Glam, which, like, I've got some really good ideas for, and I absolutely love disco and I love glam, and it means it's gonna be glittery as hell, which is my jam. So I'm really, really excited. Yeah, so thank you all for watching me unbox this insane amount of products from NYX Cosmetics, and I will see you guys on the next one when I'm looking a little disco glam.